This is insane over here. Got a drag tag.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a message from the one and only Omar Ela. He's going to speak, he's going to give his grace. Please, everybody, let's try to circle in. Let's try to circle in. You know, let's create a huddle. Omar Ela is going to speak. He's also known, maybe if you guys don't know him, he's known for the chrome green Lambo right here.
What's going on here?
We're just doing a street right now,
cool,
but it's a car show, so if you want to go grab drinks inside, you can do that. So
Like free drinks?
it's not free, but everything goes to like a donation. So
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Well, what's the car show for?
charity event.
Yeah. That's awesome.
I'm about to head out, bro.
I go to a lot of conferences. Like, I go to every you want me to hold it closer? Sorry. Okay. Regardless, these conferences are usually extremely wholesome. You know, like the community, it shows the passion, the fun, the happiness, the family vibe. And I think the most important part is coming together for like a cause that really truly matters. And, you know, alhamdulillah, I've had the pleasure of working with and supporting a lot of really trustworthy group. They're really a wholesome family. They wear their heart on their shoulder.
Sorry.
Really care about it. Never in my life asked anybody to do anything. That's a very passive person. But, you know, especially with the state of the world today and just generally the community, I would humbly ask everyone to please open your hearts and in any possible way support a cause that truly is making a difference. And inshallah, Allah accepts your involvement in that, and inshallah we can work together to keep doing really fun, meets like this. But at the end of the day, we really do want to make an impact in any way we can. So it's not always, monetary, but inshallah today you were able to do something. Everything goes a very long way, inshallah. So if you guys have the
Sorry, is this yours?
make sure to
My fault.
support them in any way, whether it's donations,
Dude, that's so amazing.
It's a cause that I believe in. It's a cause that I 100% would back up any day. So inshallah, if you guys can, please also do that. But yeah, love Dr. Love the organizations, love the people that get together in the conference that do stuff like this.
That's insane.